Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my channel, Nhadhen Vlogs. Ngayon guys, sasagutin ko po yung tanong ninyo sa social media kung paano gagamitin yung bagong trial bonus from own bank. Yun ang bagong referral bonus. So ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano i-redeem yung amount. So puntahan natin yung vouchers, and meron akong isang voucher dyan, 300K. May instruction dyan, take natin. So magagamit siya for own it savings. I-click natin yung use. So yung amount na 300K ay napunta na doon sa own it. Then after 1 day, yung interest ng amount niyan is na-credit doon sa ating own it balance. Ayun lang guys, for 1 day lang kasi siya. So yung interest rate ng own it is 6% per annum. So yan, computation niya is 300,000 pesos times 0.06% divide by 360 days. At yun ang interest natin na makukuha for 1 day. So pag na-receive na ninyo yung interest earnings from this voucher guys, yung amount na 300,000 pesos ay mawawala lang yan siya. Yun lang guys. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Nhadhen Vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye!